Good morning. It is day 9 of our Hildegard von Bingen program. And as per usual, if you'd like to just close your eyes and turn your attention inward and upward. As the day begins, it's easier to release all thoughts that they are just forming right now. We let them all go on the out breath. We allow them to dissipate and release all emotions, any disturbances, whatever that just does not serve us right now. In our endeavor to connect inward and upward into the oneness, we allow our attention to move higher and higher. And as we do that, we notice that a beam of golden white light comes down, pours down on us, surrounding us, embracing us in loving, in forgiveness, in compassion, in the highest good. And we are being held throughout our meditation, contemplation, and prayer time. My day begins. I saw a pavement surrounding the building that was like white glass, shining with calm splendor. But the splendor of the one who is seated on the throne, showing me all these things, shone even more brightly, piercing the pavement, even into the abyss. And Hildegard's interpretation. This is to say that it is the strength of crystal, pure, clear, open faith and mirror-like simplicity that undergrinds and expands the task of building the city of God and all the life and creations within it. So when we begin to do good works with the calm and luminous intention of faith, we touch God. And when our works are perfected in faith, we come to know Him profoundly. For when God's work is accomplished in us, faith is the mark of the perfection with which each of us has sought God. For the grace of Almighty God, who rules all and manifests to us all things, through the fortitude of our faith, reduces the devil to nothingness and death. God's power pierces the darkness of unbelief with the pure faith that is born again of the Spirit and water. And we spend just a couple of minutes contemplating the power of faith. How strong is my faith? Can I believe that God is there by my side? This loving presence of the Spirit, the beam of white and golden light is true, is reality? Do I have faith in the unseeable? Can I allow myself to know the truth? And the truth is that I am forever connected to the divine presence, to the loving, to the light. And the more I allow myself to have faith in it, the more I will experience it. It's my choice. And our mantra for today, all through the day: help my unbelief. Spirit, God, presence, light, sound, help my unbelief, so I can know. Thank you so much for meditating, praying with me this morning. Have a blessed day. Baruch Bashan.